Okay, if you think my makeup is bad, I'm just going to assume that you are homophobic and that my makeup is on point. But, okay. Let's put on some lashes before I start this video. Before I pressed record, I was thinking about females and what products, makeup products, females love. If you were to ask a makeup company what the best-selling makeup product they have, it will be lip gloss, and like there's been like a resurgence of like lip gloss, I've noticed, but most importantly, mascara. If you're a girl watching this, isn't the first makeup product you ever bought or that your mom let you buy, it was probably mascara, right? But have you noticed that there's like, everyone has a makeup brand, but like everyone has a lip gloss? And I think it's because it probably costs about 12 cents to make a lip gloss. Like, it's so cheap to make. It's interesting, I've been watching Kylie Jenner, our most richest Jenner, or quickest to get richest. Do you still think it's Kim that's the richest? I would think Kendall would be up there because like fashion and celebrity and clothes, but I think we think that the fashion industry makes a lot of money, but I don't really think it does. I think it has an image of being rich and luxurious, but I don't think there's that much money as we think it is. Also, that's a lie, because like look at Lululemon. They like charge like $80 per pair of leggings when it costs like $2 to make a pair. Like, so there is a lot of money in clothes. But I guess that's just like an American thing. Like you don't do anything unless you're getting something back. That's so American, right? But with Kylie's brand, I've noticed like she's been releasing glosses like left and right. So obviously they're working out for her. And to be releasing them like every other week, I guess people are really loving her for her glosses. But when I think of Kylie makeup, I think of ColourPop. Like, do you remember her first packagings, like for the lipsticks? It's like she went to the same manufacturers as ColourPop to get her packaging for her products. And it's obvious that it was cheaper at the beginning. Yes, this is my vibe. Put on lashes to cover them with bangs. But I can't wear like lashes like out of the house because like my bangs will get stuck to the lashes. Like I went on a walk one day and like my eyelash was on my bangs. Like that's like so embarrassing. But everything's embarrassing. Famous words from our alternative Jesus, Sky Fiera. Okay, I can't see anything. But I need bangs because, I don't know, I love bangs. To me, bangs read very like let's try, okay, let's see. When you do bangs like this, where it's like circled on the face, like framing the face like a circle, it reads very Beatles, so very 67. And then when you do them curtain, okay, that is not curtain bangs, that is ugly bangs. But curtain bangs are so like now. And if you do like straight bangs, it reads very artsy, but it also reads very Heidi Klum, which I enjoy. Oh, Did Joan Jett have bangs? I don't think she had bangs. I just think she had short hair. Does Miley Cyrus have bangs right now? If she does, I think she's hot for it. I don't know. They're just cool. And it's something new. So if I were a girl recommending a tip for any girls, because I don't think guys grow their hair long because they think that they can't. Because I am a guy, so I used to think that you couldn't grow your hair long. But once you do, get bangs, because I noticed like no one has them. I think that might be the new trend in hairstyles that will be coming up. It's going to be like clavicle length hair, so like short hair with bangs, because it's going to be referencing 70s and 80s punk rock girls. What do you think the next trend can be, like beauty wise? Is skinny in again? Have you? I think skinny will always be in. Like if in American pop culture, skinny will always be in style, but I think the like not unhealthy skinny, which I love. I love me a Kate Moss moment, but I think the skinny 70s. Ooh, skinny 70s or 70s skinny? Skinny 70s. Ooh, that sounds good. That style might be coming in style again. That like athleticism and health focused oriented. That can be a new trend. But I don't know. America's funny because there's trends and then there's trends in hometowns, and like big trends don't get to them, but they eventually do, like 5 years late. Like I live in a town that's not small, but it's not big in the sense that we get the popular food fast food chains like late, like way after they're famous. Like we're getting a Chick-fil-A, I heard. And Chick-fil-A has been famous for like 5 years now, and we're barely getting it. Like, what's another one? Like another food thing. Do you remember when acai bowls were famous? Well, we got acai bowls like 3 years after that trend. Let's see, what's another trend that I've noticed about that trickled down to like small towns from like big cities? Dutch Bros. Like other coffee joints that aren't Starbucks. Okay, I don't care no more. This video was made to tell you to get hair bangs. If you come up to me and you have a question, my answer will always be just get bangs. Like if I worked at Starbucks and you're like, can I get a hot chocolate? I'd be like, no, but you can get bangs. You should get bangs. Or we're like, do you know what time it is? No, you should get bangs. Like, but don't cut them yourself. Get them cut by somebody who knows hair. That's the problem with girls. I noticed that they think that they can do everything themselves, because they can. They can make babies by themselves. They could create life, but they can't cut their own hair. They can't dye it either. That's the what's the opposite of perk? Downside of being a female. You can make a baby, but you can't cut your own hair. Or you can and be punk rock about it. But okay, I think I'm done. Peace out from me, Sky Fiera. Who else did I mention today? Miley Cyrus, Joan Jett, Suzanne Summers, the Beatles, and Roger Awkward. Peace out. Baby,